Hi, it's Angel Shaver, Stampin' Up Independent Demonstrator from Kansas, and I am popping up today for a surprise Facebook Live. We're gonna do an unboxing video. I got a box, and there's some stuff in there from the upcoming July online exclusives. So I'm going to point you down and we're going to open the box together. Okay, I don't know how well this is going to go. I'm trying to see if you can see this. Okay. Well, I didn't even open this box. We are literally unboxing, opening it together. I haven't seen anything in here. And what you're going to see is my order of the little items from a new suite to take advantage of the buy one get one 50% off suite sale. I have not ordered the larger bundle yet. Oh, there is a kit in my box. I know what this one is. This is the pop-up house that makes pop-up cards. So that'll be fun. I ordered non-sweet items too, like a sunflowers embossing folder. That'll be available July. And here are some of what I ordered to get the sweet deal. There's some kind of sparkly petunia pop ribbon. It goes with the new Halloween suite. And then I also bought some ribbon from a different suite. This is the mesh ribbon. I'm not sure which suite that was from, but it has gold on it. And then these go with the Halloween suite as well. These little iridescent treat bags. And the last thing I got, I'm going to pull it out of the box, is the designer series paper that goes with the Halloween suite. And so I haven't opened this. I don't have it ready to quickly show you, but I am going to open it and we're just going to flip through. Now you've got two of each of the double-sided papers. So we have one with some great scenes of the sidewalk and going up to a house. And then on the back, it's that petunia pop color. This one has fun candies in different, there's candy corns and lollipops and some wrapped candies. And on the back, it's black with some orange in there. And then we have windows with a cat with the pumpkin, spooky eyeballs. And on the back, it's white and orange. And then we have a sheet of tags There's lots of different colors and shapes, and then flip it over for a gray background. Then we have a sheet of the cute costumed animals. Now, the stamp set and dies also have costumed animals, but they're not the same. So if you want some different ones, here they are. They're so cute. And then flip it over to the orange with black and white. And I have some ephemera that's already punched out. 2 sheets of the exact same thing. More costume characters, trees, candy, a cauldron, brooms. This is really cute. Well, that's it for my unboxing video. I also got my paper pumpkin, so I can show you that. I'll hold it up. Maybe. This is this month's paper pumpkin kit. You make 9 cards, 3 different ones. This is not the paper pumpkin kit that you will get if you order, but the one that you'll order is so cute. It has gingham box and berries. It's really cute. And sometimes these come back and you can buy them later or buy refills. And so that's the case. I'm gonna move my lights so you can see the sparkly gold foil. Possibly someday you'll be able to buy this one. Their cards all have gold foil on them. And then there's everything you need to put on them is in your kit. And this month, this is our stamp set that came with it. It has thank you, happy birthday, and a friendship quote, and pretty peacock, one of my favorite colors. Okay, well that is this month's paper pumpkin. Next month is what you would be signing up for now, which is the strawberry one with the gingham. And I, of course, don't have that, but you can go check it out on StampinUp.com. You can see it there, I think, and definitely you can see it in my newsletter. And if you want me to send you a picture and you haven't seen it yet, make sure you send me a message and let me know. I see you, Mona. You say bring them on camera. I hope I brought everything on camera that you wanted to see. I don't have anything else to bring on camera. So I hope I got it. If I didn't, send me a message and I will take a picture of what I have and send it directly to you. All right, bye everybody.